Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find location by phone number. Want to find someone's location by phone number? First, a clear format tip. Only do this with the person's consent or through lawful channels. For legitimate option, start with built-in sharing. Ask them to enable Google Maps location sharing or Apple's Find My. Both show live location when the other person opts in. If the device is yours or you're on your family plan, use carrier family locator services, for example, Verizon Family Locator or AT&T Family Map, which work when subscribers agree to participate. For lost devices, use Android's Find My Device or Apple's Find My iPhone to locate your own phone. There are third-party family safety apps that provide location by phone number, but they require installation and explicit permission. Law enforcement can request location data from carriers during emergencies or for a legal process. Never attempt convert tracking or hacking. In short, consent first, use built-in or carrier tools, and involve authorities for lawful needs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.